Getting called onto the job site to repair an HDMI extender can be challenging. If the cables weren't managed properly, it can be really messy. Cables are everywhere. You just can't find the cable you're looking for. Well, no more. With the AVPro Edge AC EasyRack 15, managing cables is easier than ever. Mount up to 15 AVPro Edge HDMI extenders of any size. The AC EasyRack 15 comes with screws for mounting extenders. There are thumb screws already attached. The only tool needed is a screwdriver. Designed for streamlined installation and maintenance, the AC EasyRack 15 makes HDMI extender installation easier than ever before. Simply detach the slot, screw the extender in, and replace the slot. For service jobs, just undo the thumb screws and pull the unit out. Professional and clean-looking AV racks are easy to achieve and easy to maintain with the AC EasyRack 15 by AVPro Edge, making it the perfect accessory for a cleanly finished rack. Subscribe to AVPro Edge for the latest in high-bandwidth AV distribution. For more information on the AC EasyRack 15, contact your distributor, go to AVPro Edge's homepage, or give us a call at 605-274-6055. Thanks for watching.